even with the limitations that they have.
Duol mar Doho Judicial Service Commission dwaro od bura mondo opuodho med gi omenda e budget margi mar bero chenro mag Doho. Commissioner Isaac Ruto kaloso e gwenge ma Baringo wacho ni chenro mag yudo chenro mag Doho e county no bedo matek ni mar nitiere mana Doho ariyo kende kopim kod moloyo ji 6,000 mamanyo chenro mage. Omedo ni gisani Doho yudo bilion 20 mawacho ni pod ok rom tayo chenro mage e yo makare. Omedo ni gisani oket tenge milion 400 mar tieko loso Doho maka Barnet kod Elda Maravena.
Several financial years, our budget on development was brought almost to a standstill. So that naturally meant we could not continue with the projects that we had started. And even when eventually the issues were resolved and we were able to get money, you realize now the contracts could not continue, because when you are in the middle of a construction and you stop it for several years, if you come back, you'll find whatever, if a bag of cement was then 600, it is now 1,000. So a lot of adjustments had to be done. We fell out with some of the contractors.
You find Parliament getting over 50 billion, while the judiciary gets just around 20 billion. Yet the judiciary is spread all over the country, and it requires massive support on both infrastructure and also facilitate the judicial officers to be able to move in a safe and convenient manner. The courts also happen to be pretty small, and it requires huge capital investment. We are urging members of Parliament during the budgetary process this particular financial year to consider giving the judiciary massive support.
Riwruoge jochiw thieth e county ma Nyamira olando bago